This is my newest 3D model based on Rotor Village original arm guards. I've made them so they can accommodate cob light strips underneath. Like with all the other custom quads I've done cob lights makeover, I've decided to do the same with my latest build, MOPAX frame. I've played with sidewall holes to let the lights shine through even more. LED shines even through TPU, and it's nicely diffused, but this, oh my. I call them Captain MOPAX. And this? This is a skirt, a stack guard, protector, whatever you want to call it. Of course, we love our FPV components, and they are not cheap. So, I think little additional weight is well worth it. Plus, it makes our quads look little nicer. I'm sure you'll agree.